Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Isabel and I'm here with a new video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and I hope these tips do help you guys. So I can't wear makeup at the moment because I got a facial, so I really wanted to do this video for you guys. So if you guys want to ask like why aren't you wearing makeup and stuff like that, that's why I'm not wearing makeup, because I can't at the moment. So yeah, let's get right to the video. So if you guys have started selling on Mercari, you guys need to be aware of some things. I would recommend like watching my videos if you guys have trouble like with Mercari. They're very helpful and I'm pretty experienced with Mercari. It's very fun for me. I love Mercari. Like, it's literally the best thing I've discovered since my friend told me about it. But as far as buying stuff, you guys need to be aware of some scams, okay? You guys really need to listen to me because I've almost been scammed, but not really, because I already know these tricks and I'm very careful when I purchase things on Mercari, okay? So the very first thing that you guys need to be aware of is those scammers that sell stuff that is new, supposedly new, but it's not really new. Like, they say, oh, I'm selling this iPhone with the original box, and then you get it, it doesn't even come with the original box. It looks like it's been used. It's like a really used phone. It's like kind of obvious that it's not new. So I've had this problem because I was looking for a printer. I don't know what happened like during the coronavirus, that all of the printers, like, they literally disappeared from everywhere, like all the Walmarts. I couldn't find a printer and I needed to print stuff and it was like annoying. So I looked on Mercari and I ordered this printer. I think my sister ordered for me, but she received it and it didn't have the original box. It just came like whatever, and she tested it out and it didn't work, but it was being sold as new. Like, it was either like new or new, and it said no problems with the printer and everything like that. And the seller actually had like bad ratings. It says, oh, she sold me like a printer that didn't work. So always make sure to check the ratings also. Like, they're really honest. Like, people sometimes are really honest, like if they had a bad experience. So always check the ratings. Like, sometimes it will happen like that. Like, I think at that time I didn't check the ratings for her. I was just like, oh, okay, whatever, it should be good because she said it was like new. But please be careful, like, when you guys are ordering stuff, like even like new, like, these scammers are really like getting smart on Mercari, and it's like annoying, like, because you can't order stuff that much anymore. Like, you think you're getting a good deal on a printer, or you think you're getting a good deal on a phone, and then they send it to you and it's not even new, it's messed up. So make sure, if it is messed up, you guys do not rate them and contact the customer service on Mercari, okay? So that is one of the top scams that I recommend like to avoid, because it is so annoying for you to like be believing like, oh, they're gonna send me like a new printer, or they're gonna send me like a new iPhone, and then you get like a messed up iPhone, you get a messed up printer. Like, it was really annoying for me because I really needed the printer at the time. So yeah, I cannot express this scam enough. It's so messed up. Literally, scammers are messed up, okay? So the second thing that you guys should really be careful on is people asking you to rate them right away. Like, they know when the item got delivered, and they are like waiting for you to rate them like right away, and they message you like, hey, can you rate me? Like, that should say red flag right away. Make sure to check the product and to not rate them, because sometimes they want you to rate them. So the way that rating works on Mercari, as soon as you rate them like out of 5 stars, they get the money, they're gonna get paid. So let's just pretend that you got a messed up printer and they're like, hey, rate me right away please, and you rate them, and then you lost your money. Basically, you can't really do anything because they wanted you to rate them right away. So please guys, like, if they ask you to rate them right away, do not. Like, make sure you check what you got. Like, if you got an iPhone, make sure that it works and then rate them. But always red flag if they tell you, rate me, can you please rate me? Hey, you know, red flag. But I've never got scammed before off of that, but that is a way that they could scam you. Okay, be careful. So the third thing that you guys should be aware about and really like pay attention to is people selling fake stuff. Like sometimes they will sell like fake bags, fake iPhones. They'll sell fake stuff, like literally fake Nike. And so my recommendation for you guys, if you guys are like trying to buy like big brands on Mercari, please be careful. Like if you guys are buying like a Louis Vuitton or a Chanel bag, make sure that you guys know the product like the back of your hand. Because if you are buying like a Louis Vuitton for the very first time, you've never bought it, and you want to save money on Mercari, and you don't know the types of marks that a Louis Vuitton bag has, or you know, like sometimes they have like a little logo that only the original has, like the Doc Martens. I think they have like a logo on the bottom of the like the boot. So please make sure that you guys know what is real and what is counterfeit, because if you guys don't, you guys are more likely to get scammed on Mercari, because you guys are looking for that deal and people are selling counterfeits. So you guys will fall into that trap. So please make sure to research whatever you guys are buying. I know you guys want a Louis Vuitton bag, you guys want the Chanel, there's a lot of stuff on there. There's like even Nikes on there, I think, like really nice Nikes, like the really like $1,000 ones. But please make sure that you guys know what you guys are buying. I would hate to see like someone lose $1,000 on Mercari because they didn't know what the logo or what to look for on a Louis Vuitton bag, you know. So please be careful, and I hope these tips do help you guys. And if you guys like have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But please, like, if I can't answer your question, I'm sorry. Like, I don't know everything. Like, I'm not, I wish I knew everything. Like, I wish I could answer all your questions, but I could answer some general questions. But yeah, so sorry if I don't answer your question. It means I don't know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if it helps you guys. I hope you guys have like a good time selling on Mercari, buying. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.